What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos, a mobile detail here in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. We are in Parker County, guys. This place is so beautiful. The houses are really nice, big old houses. These are goals, right? Hopefully one day I can get there in the name of Jesus, right? But anyways, today we're going to be working on a 2022 Tesla Plaid, guys. And if you've never driven a Tesla Plaid, there is one thing different on them from outside of all of them. So hopefully I'm going to show you guys, if you've never driven a Tesla or if you've never worked on a Tesla, hopefully this video helps you. But anyways, let's get started with this video. Guys, let me show you guys a little bit of this collection that I had the privilege of working last week. This one was a referral. This customer has never had any of my services, right? But he was referred by one of my customers that I've serviced for about 3 or 4 years already, right? But let me show you what I worked on. Probably my most favorite one. We worked on this beautiful Chevy 65, which it's still clean, guys. That's that drive auto appearance. We used some wheel acid on those wheels. Chrome, look at that, guys. I did this is the basic wash, but it did amazing. And then we also did this Ferrari 430, and it turned out amazing, guys. This was probably my most favorite one. On the inside, what I ended up doing is I went ahead and I used Fab Automotive, his topper. I put it all on the dashboard, make it pop. We hit all these doors nicely. I hit all the door jams. Pretty much everything in here got a topper so that it can pop, guys. And we also did this Tesla, and we also did that Audi that still looks amazing. These wheels were hammered. Now they're nice and clean. So we're going to be working on this one right here. So let me get set up and let's get started. To unlock a Tesla, you're going to need the Tesla key. You're going to put it right here. Right now it literally locked. Put it back, put that key back, and boom. Now it's unlocked. We're going to be doing a interior coating on the leather and the doors to kind of help it with the dyeing of jeans. I love this steering wheel. You're going to be putting this key right here. Press the brake and you're on. Now it says fasten your seatbelt. Now, if you've never driven a Tesla, literally this can be a little bit confusing, but very simple, guys. All you do, there's this little car right here, and check this out. Push that car down. We are in reverse. And here we go. Boom, very quick. We are in reverse, guys. Look at that. And then to put it on drive, all you do is get the car, push it forward, and now you're driving forward. Let's get to this first product review, guys. Well, the only product review, to be honest. I was recently approached by this company, by YAMATIC. They sent me this foam cannon for me to try out. Funny story, I had previously purchased this back in like 2020, I think. But I purchased their cheaper version, their $20 version, and it did really well. But now they have pretty much improved that new version, guys. Foam cannons are pretty cool. Everybody loves them, some don't. As for me, I really do like foam cannons because it really, for me, it helps, right? But some, it just says it's like an overhyped. You know, take it as it is, whatever you like. I do like this new upgrade. It has the brass with stainless steel components in there, and it is truly amazing. Like the top even feels very heavy on this one, which I'm gonna show you real quick. And then it comes with the interface. It's a 1/4 fitting, so it usually fits all of our pressure washers. And in the package, they also send you some 2.5 GPM nozzles. So that's a plus. We're always needing nozzles, right? So this is, I love this. If I order something and it has nozzles, boy, I'd be losing them. But the maximum pressure on this one is going to be 4,000 PSI. And then it requires at least a 1,000 PSI pressure washer to obviously get you that nice foam, right? So let's unbox it. Let's get it all set up. We're going to be using it on this Tesla. And let's see if this thing foams up. I've gone ahead and rinsed the vehicle off completely. It's time to test out the YAMATIC foam cannon. All right, it definitely feels solid on the top. It feels really well built here, very heavy, which for me, I actually like it. It feels heavy. But anyways, let's see if this foams up. I have a Ryobi, should be the Ryobi 1900 1.2 GPMs. It's what I'm using for the pressure washer. So foam cannons tend to work differently with maybe electric pressure washers, as you guys know. But let's see if this foams up. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're getting thick foam now. Very nice. So it doesn't come with a 1-to-1 orifice. It comes with a 1.25 orifice, which is going to give you more dense foam, guys. But for having a 1900 PSI pressure washer, I really like that. It's nice and dense. It's dense, not foamy, but I like it. At first I was like, wait, this isn't throwing a lot of foam. But I rotated the nozzle on the foam cannon and it did really, really well. So we're gonna let this product just sit on there for a good 2 minutes and then we're gonna rinse it off. But so far, you know, the foam cannon works. Alrighty guys, so we are finally done with this Tesla Plaid. It came out really amazing, guys, but overall, you know, today's video was really more on this product here. Again, I want to say thank you to this company for sending me this foam cannon for me to try out. You know, it really means a lot that you guys at least check my channel out, right, and feel confident enough to send me something to try, right? So it's truly a blessing. So again, thank you for sending me this foam cannon. But anyways, let's get to the price, guys. I know most of y'all are probably already wondering what the price is on this one. This one here, there's two versions. There's a $19.99 version. This one here is the $29 version. This one is their upgraded, where they, in my opinion, definitely put a lot of thought into this here by changing it to brass and stainless, which is really, really good. Comes with those tips that I showed you at the beginning of the video, so you can definitely use them. That's it. Those are 2.5 GPM tips. So hey, if you ever lose, you have some spares when you buy this one here. The beauty of this one, guys, is I'll be posting the link down below of where you can get it, and at checkout put Saucin 20 off, and you're gonna get 20% off this foam cannon right here. So again, thank you to the company for providing a discount code for my viewers. Truly means a lot to me and obviously to them as well. So Saucin20 off, get 20% off this foam cannon, guys. As always, God bless y'all, and I'll see you guys hopefully in another video. In Houston, I'm coming Friday and Saturday, so hopefully I get to meet some of you guys out there. I'm very excited. But anyways, God bless y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video.